Hi everyone, we're going to learn about Discover Search today. And Discover Search is the library's main search tool to find books, ebooks, and academic articles, news, and more. Today we're going to show you how to use it and what it looks like and some things that you can use within it to get the sources that you need for your paper. So right here in the main section is our Discover Search bar. I'm going to search for music therapy. You can search for a subject. You can use different keywords. You can search by title or author. Anything like that can be searched and within this bar. And then we click search. And these are our results. So our result page will look the same. Every time it has white results and blue results, as you see in the middle, alternating different colors. And the white show our ebooks and books, and the blue results show what's in our databases. And so a database is a funny word, but it just means a place that stores information that you can search. If you use Spotify, that's just a database for music. If you use a podcast app, that's a database for podcasts. But our databases have academic journals, and within those are lots of different things that could be useful for you. If you want to search just under academic journals, you can click Show Only Database Results. And these are our results. As you can see, there's still some things in there. There's ebooks in there too, and a little bit of other things. So you can narrow that down by source type, just academic journals. And even in academic journals, there are other things like book reviews. So be aware of that it could be a book review. To make sure that it's a journal that you want or an article that you want, you can click on the title to view more information about it. The abstract will give you a summary of that information, and there should be, if it's an article, there should be an abstract, and there should be there are multiple authors, right? So just be aware that it's not a review that way. So you have all this information about it, but you want to look and read it. You click check for full text. And that should open up the article here. This gives even more information about it. This is where you would use this information for your citations. And here's the abstract, which gives us a summary. And so for the actual article, to read it, you could click on the left-hand side up here on the left-hand side, HTML full text or PDF full text. So if you click on PDF full text, it'll open it up as if it were printed page, right? From here, you can use these tools on the right-hand side, very right-hand corner, and then up in the top of the PDF reader. You can click download to download the PDF or print to print it directly. You can also click this little link here, which gives you a permalink, and the permalink is static, it won't change, so you can always use it to go back straight to this article. And you can use it to kind of email yourself to keep track of that way. If you see this tiny little envelope here, that's an email form that you can email it to yourself, or you can email it to your classmate, whatever you'd like. You can include the HTML or the PDF version, and it will send you a copy straight to yourself. You can also see this is a citation format where it shows citations of the article. We do tell you to use this with caution because databases are good at holding information for you to find, but they are not citation makers. They are not good at citations. So use this with caution and be aware of that. So if we go back a little bit, we can continue to narrow down if we want using this blue side, these links. Some common ones are the date published, and date published lets you choose between a range of dates. So if your article needs to be within the past 5 years, you can put that date range in. and click include, and that will limit it down even more. Another one I like is geography. So if you're looking for a study or an article that based its information in one place, you can click on the geography limiter of the United States, for example, and it will show you all of the articles that are where the information or the study comes from the United States. Okay, so we're going to go back to our main page where we had our full results. And if you'd like to look for books and ebooks, you just use the opposite side. So you can click only show IVCAT results, and it will show our ebooks here. And if you'd like to find an ebook to read, you can look for electronic access, click here. So every entry that says that will be an ebook. You just click on that and you're able to read it online. If you want to find a print book, you can go over to Format and click Books. And if you would like a book from another campus, so this one's in Evansville, that's totally fine. You can click Place Hold, and we can bring it here for you. So once you place hold, you can enter your C number and then your library pin. And if you don't have a library pin yet, you can click Create or Reset Pin, enter your C number again, and that will let you send you an email from your Ivy Tech email address to reset or create your pin. And lastly, I just want to put a plug in for the Research Starter. If you are wanting to know more about a subject before you research it fully, Research Starters are usually at the top. If you type in a broad subject, they are a great place to learn a little bit more about the subject so you can then figure out what exactly it is you want to learn about it, narrow down your topic, and move on from there. So it gives an overview similar to an encyclopedia or Wikipedia page, but it uses a lot of great resources. You can also look in the bibliography and find more resources there as well. So that's just a plug for our Research Starters. So that is a really quick overview of our Discover Search, where you can find books and journal articles. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can, in this top left right corner, you can click here for support, and you can email us at Ask a Librarian. When this is green, you can chat with us in real time. You can also meet with us in person by clicking here and setting up an appointment. Thanks so much.